Hello, welcome to Easy English Conversations. I am Jacob.
And I am Anna. We are glad you were here.
This is a podcast for people learning English.
We speak slowly. We use simple words.
We repeat things. That is okay. Learning takes time.
Today, we talk about introducing yourself.
Yes, how do you tell people about you? Let's begin.
First, a simple greeting. You can say hello.
Or, hi. That is more casual, more friendly.
Yes. Hi. Hello. Then you say your name. My name is Anna.
I am Jacob. You can say I am, or my name is...
Both are good. Let's practice. Listen.
Hi, I am Jacob.
Hello. My name is Anna.
Good. So, after names, what next?
Maybe you ask, how are you?
A very common question. It means, how do you feel?
I can say, I am good. Thank you.
Or, I am fine, or I am well.
And then you can ask back, and you? Or how are you?
Yes, it is polite. Let's do a full short talk.
Okay, I will start. Hello.
Hi, my name is Anna. I am Jacob. Nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too. How are you, Jacob?
I am good. Thank you. And you?
I am fine. Thank you for asking.
See? That is a complete introduction. Short and clear.
But sometimes you want to say more. Where are you from?
Ah, yes. A very common question. Where are you from?
This means, what country or city do you come from?
I can say, I am from Canada.
And I can say, I am from Brazil.
You can say the city. I am from Toronto, or I am from Sao Paulo.
Then you can ask about their city. Is it nice? Is it big?
Let's try that conversation a bit longer.
Hi, I am Anna.
Hello, Anna. I am Jacob. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from, Jacob?
I am from Canada. I am from a city called Toronto.
Toronto. Is it a big city?
Yes, it is very big. And it is very nice. Where are you from?
I am from Brazil. I am from Sao Paulo.
Sao Paulo. Is it warm there?
Yes, it is warm. Most of the time, it is sunny.
That sounds nice.
Yes, it is.
Good. So we have name, greeting, and home country.
Next, maybe your job. What do you do?
The question is, what do you do?
It means, what is your job? What is your work?
I can say, I am a teacher.
And I can say, I am a graphic designer.
You can be a student. I am a student.
You can work in an office. I work in an office.
You can say, I work at a hospital.
Or, I work at a school.
If you do not have a job, you can say, I am looking for a job.
That is okay. Many people say that.
Let's put the job into our conversation.
Okay, so, hi, Jacob. How are you today?
I am well, thank you, Anna. And you?
I am good. So, what do you do, Jacob?
I am a teacher. I teach English.
That is great. Do you like it?
Yes, I love it. It is fun. What do you do, Anna?
I am a graphic designer. I make pictures for websites and books.
Oh, that sounds very interesting.
Yes, it is. I like it a lot.
Perfect.
Now, maybe we talk about hobbies. What do you like to do?
Hobbies are things you do for fun, like sports, reading, music.
The question is, what are your hobbies? Or what do you like to do?
I can say, I like to read books.
I can say, I like to play soccer.
You can say, I enjoy cooking.
Or, I love listening to music.
You can say, in my free time, I watch movies.
Free time is time when you do not work.
Let's add hobbies to our talk.
So, Jacob, what are your hobbies?
I like many things. I like to read. I like to walk in the park. And I love to cook.
What do you like to cook?
I like to cook pasta. It is easy and delicious.
Nice. I like to cook too, but my main hobby is sports.
What sports do you like?
I like to swim and I like to play tennis.
Tennis is difficult.
It is, but it is fun.
So now we have a longer introduction. Name, country, job, hobbies.
Let's do one big conversation. We will use everything.
Okay, we will speak slowly. Listen carefully.
Hello.
Hi there.
My name is Anna. What is your name?
My name is Jacob. It is nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too. How are you today?
I am very well, thank you. The weather is nice. And you?
I am good. A little tired, but good.
Where are you from, Anna?
I am from Brazil, from a city called Sao Paulo. It is very big.
Wow. I am from Canada, from Toronto. It is also big.
Is it cold in Toronto?
Yes, in winter it is very cold, but in summer it is warm.
I like warm weather. In Sao Paulo, it is often warm.
That is nice. So, Anna, what do you do? What is your job?
I am a graphic designer. I make pictures on my computer.
That sounds like a cool job.
Yes, it is fun. What do you do, Jacob?
I am a teacher. I teach English to adults.
Oh, that is great. Do you like it?
Yes, I do. My students are very nice. So, what do you like to do? What are your hobbies?
I like sports. I swim every week, I play tennis sometimes, and I like to watch movies. What about you?
I like quiet hobbies. I read many books. I cook dinner for my friends. And I like to take photos.
Photos? Of what?
Photos of nature. Trees, flowers, the sky.
That is beautiful. Well, it was nice talking to you, Jacob.
Yes, it was nice talking to you too, Anna.
Goodbye.
Bye. See you later.
Good. That was a long conversation.
Yes, but we used simple words. We spoke slowly.
Now, let's break it down. Let's look at the important parts.
Part 1. Greetings and name.
Say hello or hi.
Say your name. I am, or my name is.
Say nice to meet you.
Part 2. Ask, how are you?
Answer, I am good. I am fine. I am well.
Then ask back, and you?
Part 3. Where are you from?
Answer with your country or city. I am from blank.
You can ask a follow-up question. Is it big? Is it nice? Is it cold?
Part 4. What do you do?
Answer with your job. I am a job. I work in a place. I am a student.
Part 5. What are your hobbies?
Answer with things you like. I like to. I enjoy. I love.
And part 6. Goodbye.
Say, it was nice talking to you.
Then, goodbye. Bye. See you later.
Let's practice some words. Repeat after us. You can say the words out loud.
Hello.
Hi.
Name.
Country.
Job.
Hobbies.
Good.
Okay, now some sentences. Repeat after us.
My name is Anna.
I am from Brazil.
I am a teacher.
I like to swim.
Nice to meet you.
Very good.
Now, let's talk about problems. What if you do not understand?
It is okay. You can say, sorry, or can you repeat that?
You can say, please speak slowly.
Or, I do not understand.
People are usually nice. They will help you.
Let's practice that too.
Hi, My name is Jacob. I am from Canada. I am a teacher. I like to read. I have 2 dogs.
Sorry, can you repeat that? Please speak slowly.
Of course. I am Jacob. I am from Canada. I am a teacher.
Thank you.
No problem.
So, do not be afraid to ask. It is normal.
Yes, we all are learning.
Now, a cultural tip. In many English places, a smile is good.
Eye contact is polite. Look at the person's eyes, but not too much.
A handshake is common for nice to meet you.
But now, sometimes people just wave. Say hello with your hand.
Do what makes you comfortable.
Let's do one more conversation. This time, you can try to be one person. Listen to me, then imagine you are Anna.
I will be Jacob. Let's try.
Okay, I will start as Anna. You answer as Jacob.
Hello,
Hi,
I am Anna. What is your name?
my name is Jacob. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I am from Canada. I am from Toronto.
Is Toronto a big city?
Yes, it is very big.
What do you do, Jacob?
I am a teacher. I teach history. What do you do?
I am a student. I study art.
That is interesting. What are your hobbies?
I like to paint pictures. And I like to dance.
I like to watch sports. And I like to cook.
Well, it was nice talking to you.
Yes, you too. Goodbye.
Good job. Did you try to answer in your mind?
We hope you did. It is good practice.
Remember, you can listen to this podcast many times.
Listen in the car. Listen on the bus. Listen at home.
Repetition is the key. The words will become familiar.
Soon, you will hear these questions and you will know the answers.
Be brave. Try to introduce yourself to someone.
Start with, hello, my name is.
That is a perfect start.
Thank you for listening to Easy English Conversations.
We hope this was helpful.
What topic do you want next? Tell us.
You can find us on our website or on social media.
We would love to hear from you.
Until next time,
Keep practicing. Be patient with yourself.
learning a language is a journey. Enjoy it.
Goodbye.
Bye.